Hey guys, once again it's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and in this video we will see one of the best application available on Mac operating system by default, and that application name is a Preview. Using the Preview application you can solve multiple problems of yours. So how many options we can use using Preview application and make like a YouTube thumbnail, make like how to do it as a PDF signature and much more information. We will see detailed information in this video, so let's check it out. This feature I'll explain here how to make a thumbnail using Preview application. I open this one, this is an empty structure for the thumbnail. My video title is how to get car insurance in Denmark. So I just put it here in Google, car insurance, images, and then after look at this here, several images are coming here. So which image is comfortable for me, accordingly I will select this one, and this one is quite good for me, so I like it, this one. After that you decide, okay, this is a portion. So sometimes if you are using as it is 100% the thumbnail, so definitely you are receiving sometimes in copyright, but you can close this one and add here some of the portion like this, and you can doing using your trackpad. Cross now is perfect, you can hide little bit, perfect. Otherwise you can type here Tesla car PNG. So this is a PNG structure. Okay, you can try this one, perfect. So now we can replace as animated car to original car like this. How to get car insurance in Denmark. So I just simply type here get car insurance in Denmark like this, get car insurance in Denmark. Accordingly comfortable of your image and the empty space. Okay, perfect. So now here K is going on, so I just simply select this one, I put it here. Perfectly copy and pasted here. Now look at this, the thumbnail is perfectly ready. Now we need to add here Denmark flag, so I just simply type here Denmark, enter. We can copy this one right here, and you can decrease the size like this. So now my thumbnail is perfectly ready. Now we will see how to add signature on PDF file using Preview application. So now look at this guys, this is a PDF file, .pdf file, and I want to add here my signature, and my signature is available on PNG format. If I copy this one, and if I go with PDF file, copy and paste options is not activate here. But how you copy and paste here very easily, it's really easy. You just select this one and then copy this file, and again you paste here only. So here two signatures are available, and after that you copy this one again, once again the pasted one, and come to the your PDF file, and then simply you edit and the paste, and boom, look at this, the signature are coming here. Accordingly you can increase the size, decrease the size, and which location you want add this particular signature, you can add very easily. And now I open again PDF file. Now my signature is here. It's very easy to add signature using Preview application. You can add any of the PDF documents of signature or any image also. So if you want add here some of the image, so you just simply consider this is image. I select this one, copy this one, again paste here. So here two images are there, again I copy this one, go back here, PDF file, edit, and then paste. The boom, the image is coming here. You can increase the size or decrease the size very easily, and choose the location where you want added this particular image. So it's very simple tips and tricks. You can add signature or image on your PDF file. Now we'll see how to add some of the text on PDF file. So this is a PDF file and you want to add some of the text here, like a heading text. So you click here the pencil button here, A, and now here text is coming here, but we just simply change the color, demo page. You can put it here, decrease the size around 30, enter. So look at this, this is a page. If you want, so now if you want highlight this particular portion, so it's very easy like this. So here after that my arrow is going there, so highlight content is visible and now is disabled. It's very simple. Now you want add here some of the arrow also like this, so you can doing much more activities on your highlight pages, like you can use this ball pen and do the signature also on your using your trackpad. So many options are available on preview application. Use this application and much more problem is solved. No need to use Adobe Reader to edit, modify, or using the PDF file. Using this one you can make an image, and preview application open as an image also. So this is a JPG file. If I open here, so this JPG file is open as a preview application. You can access here PDF file, image file, and other files also. It's outstanding software I saw ever related on Mac. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.